In this part, I'm going to show you how to create an Airtable form. Once you are in Airtable, select the table that you want to create a form on. In this example, I created a new table called Expert Network, and this is going to be where applications for Expert Network are delivered. So I have created a name field, an email field, a profile picture field, a multi-select tech stack field, a submitted on date, and the notes field for internal communication. So from this grid view, I'm going to click on this little arrow and select form. You can add a cover image. It's going to do black and hit upload. Going to add a logo. So from here, you can select which fields are required. I'm going to leave the picture as not required. The tech stack I'm going to have required, and you can change this from a drop down or make it a list. And then for the notes, this is an internal facing column, so I'm going to hide this. And now I have everything that I need. And you can set the redirect URL here. You can change the message that shows after someone has hit submit. You can have it email you, and there are a few options here. But once you're done, click on Open Form, and this is how your form will look to the end user. And you can share this form with the URL, and you can restrict access with a password or by email domain, or you can embed this form on your site. In the next part, I will show you how to embed this form on your site. So I will see you there.